Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, we're going to discuss an issue that I thought I must share it with you guys. How many of you guys had a lot of problem finding these castings? McLaren F1, Toyota Supra, Bugatti Bolide, the LB Silhouette Nissan 35RR, the treasure hunt Porsche 928 Safari, Cybertruck. All of these cars are from QCase, and even I had to face a lot of problem finding it. In fact, I couldn't get my hands on the QCase because it came in very few numbers, and I was very sad. Yesterday, the QCase was back in circulation, and it was little shocking. Why is it shocking? Because A case had already come a month back, and I have already done a video about it. If you guys have not seen it, go check it out. So A case was already there, and now they're bringing back Q case. So it made me question. So I went on a peg hunt yesterday, and to my notice, I found this very shocking. So let me do a very quick comparison. So this is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse that I bought yesterday, so I can show it to you guys. And let's do a comparison with the Cybertruck, which I bought around 1.5 months back. So this is the old Q case and this is the new Q case. And when you turn it back, so this is where the details will be revealed. So if you look at the month and year of manufacturing is 7/20/24, month and year of import is 8/20/24. So now let's look at this one here. The month and year of manufacturing is 7/20/24. The month and year of import is 8/20/24. So now what does this make me question is that both of the cars have the same import dates. So already this was with the Mattel distributor team. So they were not releasing it. And to add on, yesterday one of the people in the stores, they told that the stocks of Q case was there in huge numbers, but the Hot Wheels company was not releasing it because they wanted to create a demand. This is actually very sad because I had to roam around multiple places, then I had to visit a lot of stores, and I couldn't get my hands on all the Q case cars. But again, though this was little disappointing, it is again a very good opportunity for the guys who missed on the cars that I just showed. All of these cars are from the Q case. I would urge Mattel not to get into these stuff to create demand, because it will really hamper the collectors' enthusiasm, and we people face a lot of problems. And even we content creators are not able to make videos, and we are not able to give the reviews for our audience. So this was little sad. And another thing that I would like to say is maybe the B case might come or might not come. So we are not very sure of that. So whatever is in circulation will obviously come. So hopefully I'm waiting for the B case. And if you guys check out the Blinkit, they are listing the A case cars, but it is listed under coming soon. So it can come anytime soon. So this was a very short video to tell you guys that this is the situation that happened. And one more thing is that you know how economics work. The more the demand, the prices increase. So is it another strategy by Mattel that they want to increase the prices of these cars? So that is why they were holding it for the demand to rise. If you guys notice, in 2023, the price of Hot Wheels was 149. And in 2024, it increased to 179. And in 2025, we are still yet to receive the new stocks, and I hope the prices have not increased. So I again think it should not, Mattel should not get into these kind of things where they play with the collector's mindset. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So do let me know in comments what do you think, or do you have any other experiences or any other opinions to share. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.